The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 40 nautical miles, Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, Long Island South Shore bays, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:19 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 16 nautical miles east of Shark River Reef, moving northwest at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Saddle Rock, Island Park and Barnum Island. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for southern Connecticut and southeastern New York. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. You are listening to NOAA's All Hazards Radio, Station K.